We are back at the unboxing table. I'm TK with TK Tech. How's everybody doing? Today, we have the Motorola One Action. This is a phone I'm pretty excited about. It's extremely cheap, and I haven't used a cheap Android phone in a hot minute, so I'm kind of excited to see how this performs and see how much you can get for about $200. Looking around at the back, looks like we have the phone, charging cable, should have a SIM tool in here, which I'm very happy to hear. Glad to see that's still a thing on all unlocked phones. Single piece of tape, snip it up with something sharp, and immediately we get the phone. And a bumper case, which I was not expecting, especially for $200. So a good touch by Motorola on there. You got a fingerprint reader on the back, that's also your home button, and a headphone jack, which is a rarity these days. Good to see that on there, even though my camera refuses to focus on it. My camera must dig Samsung's. But anyway, bumper cover. Again, pretty sturdy. It's actually on there nice and tight. I'm not a fan of clear bumper covers myself. I think they look kind of ugly, but I'll give it to Motorola having that pre-installed. Don't mind me here. I am just muting whatever was playing in the background so you can hear that sweet, sweet peel. I'd rate that a good 6 out of 10. Nice tight peel, pretty quick. We get the purple box here, which you can flick open with a finger, and all you get is paperwork that none of you are going to read. Who am I kidding? The README is pretty nice. It's pretty in-depth. It does show you how to fit the SIM card and the expandable storage into the tray, which is always nice because it's kind of hard when they're very small and nano SIM. Then you get the actual SIM key itself, which it's not my favorite SIM key. It is extremely long though, which is a plus. A lot of phones, OnePlus specifically, that I've used in the past have really short SIM keys, and you can't use them on any and all phones, so it's kind of a pain. Here's the AC adapter. It is USB-A on one side and 2-prong on the other. Could not figure out the wattage. I think it is 15 watts. If it is different, I will put a note down in the bottom in the comments. And then you have a USB-C to A cable. Good to see USB-C on a phone that's $200 as well. Wasn't really expecting that fully in. Couple seconds to power the bad boy on. Screen's nice and bright. It's a 1080p screen. Nothing super swanky at the price point, but colors look pretty good, especially right when I open it up. Everything on this phone feels way more expensive than $200. So I'm waiting to see where the cost cutting is during my actual review. But there's the unboxing. That's the Motorola One Action. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Look out for the review in a couple of days. And for that, I'm TK with TK Tech. Catch you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe, please.